Are you looking to sync Navan with third-party travel apps but aren't sure how to get started? In this video, we'll break it down and show you exactly how to make that connection in just a few simple steps. Stick with us until the end because we've got a free extended trial offer for you, which you don't want to miss. First, let's quickly go over what Navan is. Navan is a powerful travel and expense management tool that helps businesses streamline booking and expense tracking. It allows you to plan travel, approve trips, and track expenses all in one platform. But what makes it even more powerful is its ability to sync seamlessly with third-party travel apps, making it even easier to manage your travel from a single dashboard. To start syncing Navan with third-party travel apps, you'll first need to make sure you have the correct integration set up. Navan works with several leading travel apps, including those used for booking flights, accommodations, and even car rentals. To enable the sync, navigate to the integration settings in your Navan account. Once you're in the integrations menu, you'll be able to select which apps you want to connect with. The process is typically as simple as selecting the app from a list and following the on-screen prompts to log into your third-party account. For example, if you're connecting Navan with a popular flight booking app, it'll ask you to enter your login credentials, and once authenticated, you'll be able to sync your booking data directly into Navan. One of the great things about syncing Navan with travel apps is that it helps to centralize your travel data. When you book a flight or hotel through a third-party app, all the details, including costs, itineraries, and payment information, will automatically show up in your Navan dashboard. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and ensures everything is accurately tracked for expense reporting. If you're using apps for different aspects of travel, like booking transportation or finding restaurants, you can sync those too. By connecting these apps to Navan, you streamline the entire travel management process, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. All your travel data will be in one place, allowing you to easily track expenses and analyze spending trends. Now, here's a pro tip. For the best experience, you'll want to ensure that both your Navan account and the third-party app are regularly updated. This ensures that all features are running smoothly and that you have access to the latest tools and improvements in both platforms. You also have the ability to customize your sync settings. For example, you can decide if you want the travel data to sync automatically or if you prefer to manually trigger the sync whenever you book something new. Having this flexibility is crucial, especially if you're working with multiple travel apps at once. Before we wrap up, remember that syncing Navan with third-party travel apps isn't just about convenience. It's about boosting productivity and keeping your travel budget in check. By automating data syncing and reporting, you can save time on administrative tasks and focus on what really matters, running your business efficiently. As promised, we have an exclusive offer for you. You can try Navan for free, and we're giving you access to an extended trial period. Check out the link in the description below for more details. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you get the most out of syncing Navan with third-party travel apps.